What's going on, guys? We're back with another video about the Rome case. Now, the last video I had about this case, it was showing that it was defective, it had failed struts and all that jazz. Because of this deformity, Rome actually sent me a brand new case. This case, compared to the old case, from the exterior is exactly the same. The material is the same, the hardware is the same. Even the features, like the bottle cap opener, the drain plug, same thing on the other side of this case has it too. Now, if you're in the market of buying one of these cases and you're thinking about buying one used because brand new, they are fairly expensive, over $300. There's some telltale signs if you're getting version 1 or an updated version, but I believe this is version 3.2. What you can tell in the difference is version 1 says Rome Adventure, version 3, it just says Rome. Cool. Now, I've yet to open this up, but the iteration or the changes they made, I believe, is under here. So let's open it up together. Okay, this is actually heavier than opening the other side. Jesus. Okay, you can already tell right off the bat what they changed. And what they changed was the hinge and strut. The strut is much smaller, like basically the palm of my hand. And now there's a whole mechanism to open this up, just a brand new bracket. And from what I can tell, oh yeah, I don't know if you guys already caught on. Yeah, so the old case with these struts, they only open so far. And I'm thinking that's the reason why this failed to begin with, was because the weight of the lid organizer or the MOLLE panel, if you had the MOLLE panel option, is that the weight just kept bashing down on these gas struts and making it fail. I'm assuming they made this new bracket, this 90-degree bracket, more upright because when you have the MOLLE panel or the lid organizer, it will actually help support everything against this metal bracket instead of against the strut. Huh. It's kind of cool to see it side by side like that. Version 1, version 3, or whatever version this is. I thought I was gonna get a different strut version, which is this strut, they actually flipped it this way. So the mounting point of this was here, and then the top lid mounting point was up here. If I can find a picture of it, I'll post it right now. And I think it was also more upright too, now that I think about it. But I'm guessing if they have this type of hinge now, that means that version also failed, and that's why they had to make another version again. So again, if you are thinking about buying this case, new or used, from a third party that's not from Rome, make sure you look at how the strut setup is. Then you'll know if you're getting an older version. And if you get an older version and the struts fail or any components fail, it's not covered by Rome because the warranty only falls under the original purchaser. So basically, you're out of luck. You can probably buy the parts from Rome, but you're gonna have to pay for it and not be able to go through warranty to get a replacement. It's cool to see companies do iterations over and over and see how they've grown over the years. And that's how you actually know if it's a good company or not, if they're constantly improving, which Rome seems to be doing. And also, their customer service has been great. They actually answer your emails in a timely fashion and with good, thorough responses and not just one-worded responses. Kudos to you, Rome. I appreciate the new box. I am not just saying thank you because they sent me a new box. I'm honestly very happy with their customer service. So if you guys are on the fence again about buying one of these cases, I can't tell you if it's worth it, but I will tell you that it's worth it if you buy it brand new because the customer service will make it right. We'll end it on that note. I'll update you guys as time goes on if more things fail, but when comparing the right to the left, I feel good things about the new updated case. All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you are because in the next video, I am going to show off the new project. All right, that's it. Bye-bye.